Hello and welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall any application from your Windows computer. Many of you people might be don't know how to uninstall a software or any program from your Windows computer. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in a proper way. Many of people might think that by just deleting this shortcut over here, the software will be deleted from your system, but it's not like that. So I see many people in my office, actually they are working for a few years now, they also don't know about these things. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. So let me show you. So in this scenario, we are going to uninstall this particular software. It's called WireShark. It's a network protocol analyzer. It can search or contain many kind of files. It can track many kind of files that we can use or trace. It's a really great software. So we are going to uninstall this thing. So the basic and easy way to do that is press Windows key along with the R. It will open this particular box. It's called run box. Then type appwiz.cpl. This is the command. Okay, we are going to press enter or OK. Now what this thing will do, it will open the uninstall or change program panel over here. You can see all the applications which are installed in your system at the moment, and you can uninstall them or make any changes. If those are not working properly, you can repair them from here. So we are going to uninstall this one, so I'm going to select this one. After selecting, you can either right click or you can select from here. So let's click on the uninstall option. Okay, now as you can see, the WireShark uninstall panel, it's now appeared. So it's saying welcome to WireShark this version and uninstall. Now we are going to press next. This is the option, like any of the software. If you are wanted to uninstall all the program, then you can select from here. Let's just select each and everything because I don't want anything in my system. After uninstalling this particular software, then click uninstall. Now as you can see, it's deleting all the files which was located in your system C drive, WireShark folder where the software was installed. So now it will delete all those files. Now it's asking to delete the extension files which were installed, or the add-on files which was installed with this software. So you can uninstall any software like this. Just click over here, then click to the uninstall. Or if your any program is not working properly, you can just simply click over here. Suppose this is the software, it's not working properly. If you want to repair, you can repair from here. You can't do two things at the same time. The Windows is not designed that way, which is very disapproved from my side. I was thinking if they can do this thing. So yeah, you can't do that. You have to wait until this thing is completed. So yeah, it's done and finished. As you can see, after this, the WireShark is not over here, and this is the icon. If I just refresh it and try to open it, it's saying that problem with the shortcut. The item WireShark.exe shortcut refer has been changed or moved, so it will not going to work because the software is gone. As you can see, once I click on the yes, it's totally gone because that particular software is not anymore in your system. So yeah, this is how you can uninstall any program from your Windows computer. So if you find this video any helpful, I will really be grateful if you like this video and subscribe my channel so I can get more motivation to make this kind of videos. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you to the next video.